Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Grace if you're new to this channel. I just wanted to hop on here, and I know I look a mess right now. I just wanted to get on here, like I said, and just do a quick get ready with me video. So let's go ahead and get started. It's just a basic natural face that I do probably every morning, and if I don't, then I just don't wear makeup throughout the day. I'll just put like a primer or oh my gosh, and she's gonna mess with all my makeup. So the first thing that I normally do is wash my face in the morning, which I already did. And then the next thing that I have this Dragon's Blood. It's like a tonic. I'm not sure if you can see that. It probably won't focus. You guys, I am getting a new camera, so I'm excited for my videos. Gives your face a hydrates your face. Product in. The next thing that I normally use is this serum from La Roche-Posay. I'm not sure, but it's something that I've been using. I'm probably out, but all you need is just one little tiny drop. That's all I use. And it just kind of gives me that I don't know, I just feel so good on my skin. Okay, so once that is done, then I go ahead and I use this 24 Goldzan. I've used it before. I just put a little bit under my eyes, and then I just kind of like rub it in my face or tap it. Phoera, which you guys already know that I'm obsessed with. I just got my new one in. So once that's on, then what I do, I go ahead and move in with my Morphe Bronzer. And I just tap a little bit on my brush. And then just slowly okay, and then the next thing I use is my concealer, and I use this Age Rewind, which you guys know. I've been using, which I'm really liking, is this NYX Sculpt Highlight Face Duo, and it already has the, what is it called? The contour and the highlight all in one. But I've noticed, I mean, you have to use just a tiny bit. And I'm using this Beauty Evolved Dewy Makeup Setting Spray that I'm just gonna spray a little bit on here and then just blot this out. Okay, once that's done, the next thing that I do, I'm gonna use a little bit of this to contour my nose. And like I said, you just use a little bit. And I barely kind of, and it's so good. Okay, guys. Okay, that's done. Okay. So the next thing I'm gonna do is my banana powder. And I have my little sponge that I put in here. And then just kind of like shake it, tap the excess off. And then pull it out. And then I just put it where it needs to go. So I can bake. That, and I put a little bit here down my nose and on my chin. And as I'm letting that bake, I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows with my Wonder Brow. And this is, you know, like if I'm really trying to just do a quick, easy look. Nothing dramatic. When I do a quick, easy look, I do not do eyeshadow. I normally just kind of like put a little highlight on there. Okay. So that's done. So the next thing I'm gonna do is my eyelashes, and I have my 4D mascara that I love. Okay. And I just ordered more, and my eyelashes are all crooked. Okay. So the next thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and blend out this baking powder. Okay. The next thing I'm gonna do is go in with my blush. My brush here. Just tap it and then just kind of like barely get a little color on there just to give it a little you know, just a little bit. Okay. Now, the next thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and go in with my highlight. And this is my ColourPop in the color Lunch Money and my Morphe brush. And go in with my Morphe brush, which is 405. And I just tap a little bit and just kind of like blend out. And I don't use too much just because it does highlight very well. And do the same thing to the other side. A little bit on top of my eyebrow. And then when I want to do my nose, I just use the tip of my finger and tap it. And then I just kind of like do a little bit like so, a little bit here, and then I do the inner parts of my eyes, kind of like tap it in there, give it that open effect. And then I'll get a little bit where my eyebrows are on the top. Okay, a little bit on my Cupid's bow. Okay, and that is my look that I normally use on the daily. Then I just get my dewy spray and spray all over, let that set, and that's it, you guys. Now I'm gonna go ahead and get my straightener so I can go ahead and do my hair. Okay, you guys, so I use this Time straightener slash curler, and I have a hair smoothing oil, which is this one that I use. Couple of drops. Smells so good. I normally just kind of like put it on the ends because that's where I have the most damage, and I need to do a video. Okay, once that's in, I go ahead and just kind of start on top and then work my way under. And because I'm just gonna go get my daughter and head back home, probably make a couple more videos. I'm not gonna do it as intense as I normally would. Normally I'd get all my clips and kind of like put the top up and then start from the bottom up, but I'm just doing a quick what I do if I were to like leave to the store this morning or something. And what you do for this curler, it has the on and off button right here, and that's where you always keep your thumb. And there's a way to straighten it, and then there's another way to curl it. But you have to like flip it and turn it if you're trying to curl it. If you want to see a video, I think I did post a video on how I get like the beachy waves from it. So if you want to check that out, I'll probably put a box up here so you can go check that video out. Okay. And I normally just kind of like part it down the middle and then just like that, like so. But yeah, that's it, you guys. This is pretty much my everyday look if I'm wearing makeup. But if you like videos like this, give me a thumbs up, like and subscribe to my channel. Hope you enjoyed the video. And also, if you have any video requests, definitely comment down below, let me know, and I will definitely try and get those up for you guys. But I hope everyone's having a great week so far, and see you in the next video.